Building trust after a breakup. Welcome to Secrets of a Successful Relationship. In this video, we will delve into the crucial topic of rebuilding trust after a breakup. Trust is the cornerstone of any strong relationship, and learning how to rebuild it can be challenging but essential. Join us as we explore the key components and strategies for regaining trust, from honesty and communication to self-reflection and consistency. Stay tuned to discover the secrets to a successful relationship built on trust. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more insightful content on nurturing healthy relationships. Let's embark on this journey together. Honesty and vulnerability, key components in rebuilding trust. When it comes to rebuilding trust after a breakup, honesty and vulnerability play a fundamental role in restoring the connection between two people. Establishing open and transparent communication channels allows both parties to express their emotions, concerns, and fears freely. Through honest conversations, individuals can address past issues, share their vulnerabilities, and gain a deeper understanding of each other's perspectives. This can lead to increased empathy, compassion, and validation within the relationship, fostering an environment of mutual respect and understanding. Moreover, embracing vulnerability in a relationship demonstrates a willingness to take emotional risks and be authentic with one another. By showing vulnerability, individuals express their true thoughts and feelings, creating a sense of intimacy and connection. Sharing personal experiences and emotions can help build empathy and trust between partners, deepening their bond and paving the way for a more meaningful and authentic relationship in the long run. It is important to note that rebuilding trust is a gradual process that requires patience, compassion, and active participation from both parties. It involves acknowledging past mistakes, taking responsibility for one's actions, and demonstrating a sincere commitment to making positive changes. By fostering an environment of honesty and vulnerability within the relationship, individuals can lay a strong foundation for rebuilding trust, enhancing their emotional connection, and creating a healthier, more fulfilling partnership based on mutual respect and understanding. Learning from past mistakes, a roadmap to trust regained. Reflecting on past mistakes serves as a valuable roadmap on the journey to regaining trust in a relationship. By acknowledging and learning from past errors, individuals can gain important insights into the root causes of trust issues and identify areas for personal growth and development. This process of self-reflection allows individuals to understand the impact of their actions on their partner and the relationship as a whole, facilitating a deeper level of accountability and awareness. Moreover, learning from past mistakes involves a commitment to making positive changes and implementing effective strategies to prevent history from repeating itself. This may involve setting clear boundaries, improving communication skills, seeking professional guidance, or practicing mindfulness and self-awareness. By actively addressing and resolving past issues, individuals demonstrate a genuine desire to transform their behavior, strengthen the relationship, and rebuild trust with their partner. Furthermore, the process of learning from past mistakes fosters resilience, adaptability, and emotional growth within the relationship. It enables individuals to develop problem-solving skills, enhance their conflict resolution abilities, and cultivate a greater sense of empathy and understanding towards their partner's needs and emotions. By embracing the lessons learned from past experiences, individuals can navigate future challenges more effectively, build a stronger foundation of trust, and create a more harmonious and fulfilling relationship based on mutual respect, forgiveness, and personal growth. The power of communication in restoring trust after a breakup. Effective communication plays a fundamental role in restoring trust after a breakup by creating a safe and open space for individuals to express their thoughts, feelings, and concerns. By engaging in honest and transparent conversations, couples can clarify misunderstandings, address underlying issues, and rebuild the emotional connection that may have been lost. Communication serves as a powerful tool for fostering mutual understanding, empathy towards one another's perspectives, emotions, and needs. Moreover, communication enables individuals to establish clear expectations, boundaries, and goals for the relationship moving forward. By engaging in open dialogue and active listening, couples can co-create a shared vision for their future, identify areas for improvement, and develop effective strategies for rebuilding trust. Through effective communication, individuals can articulate their desires, fears, and aspirations, paving the way for greater intimacy, collaboration, and alignment within the relationship. Furthermore, communication is essential for nurturing emotional safety and security within the relationship. By expressing vulnerability, authenticity, and empathy in their interactions, individuals can create a supportive and validating environment where trust can thrive. Communicating openly and honestly about one's feelings and experiences fosters a sense of emotional closeness, connection, and intimacy, strengthening the bond between partners and facilitating the process of healing and reconciliation. In addition, effective communication involves not only verbal exchanges but also nonverbal cues, body language, and active listening skills. By paying attention to subtle signals, emotions, and gestures, individuals can deepen their understanding of their partner's thoughts and feelings, demonstrate empathy and validation, and cultivate a deeper sense of emotional attunement and connection. Through the power of communication, couples can overcome challenges, navigate conflicts, and co-create a more resilient, trusting, and fulfilling relationship grounded in mutual respect, understanding, and love. Actions speak louder than words. Rebuilding trust through consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to rebuilding trust after a breakup, as actions have the power to convey sincerity, commitment, and reliability more effectively than words alone. By demonstrating consistent behavior, individuals can show that they are trustworthy, dependable, and dedicated to rebuilding the relationship. Whether it's following through on promises, showing up when needed, or making an effort to understand and support their partner, consistency acts as a tangible expression of one's intentions, values, and priorities. Moreover, consistency plays a crucial role in establishing a sense of security and predictability within the relationship. When individuals consistently act in alignment with their words and values, it creates a sense of emotional safety, assurance, and stability for their partner. Trust is not only built through grand gestures or momentary displays of affection but through the daily, consistent actions that demonstrate care, respect, and consideration for one another's feelings, needs, and well-being. Furthermore, consistency fosters a sense of accountability, transparency, and integrity within the relationship. When individuals consistently uphold their commitments, take responsibility for their actions, and communicate openly and honestly, it creates a foundation of trustworthiness and authenticity. Consistency allows partners to rely on each other, communicate with clarity and honesty, and navigate challenges with resilience and mutual support. In addition, consistency enables individuals to demonstrate genuine growth, change, and effort in rebuilding trust after a breakup. By consistently showing up, listening, and learning from past mistakes, individuals can signal their willingness to invest time, energy, and effort into repairing the relationship. Consistency is not just about momentary acts of goodwill but about a sustained commitment to personal growth, behavioral change, and relational repair that can lay the groundwork for a stronger, healthier, and more trusting partnership. Trusting yourself first, the foundation for rebuilding trust in a relationship. Trusting yourself first is essential in the process of rebuilding trust in a relationship because it sets the tone for how you engage with others. When individuals have a strong sense of self-trust, they are better equipped to make decisions, set boundaries, and communicate effectively within their relationships. By cultivating self-awareness, self-compassion, and self-respect, individuals can build a solid foundation of self-trust that serves as a guiding compass for their actions, choices, and interactions with their partners. Moreover, trusting yourself first allows you to establish a healthy sense of independence, autonomy, and self-reliance within the relationship. When individuals trust in their own judgment, intuition, and values, they are less likely to seek validation, approval, or security from their partners. Instead, they can show up authentically, assert their needs, and assert their boundaries with confidence and clarity, fostering a dynamic of mutual respect, equality, and empowerment in the relationship. Furthermore, self-trust cultivates resilience, self-confidence, and emotional well-being, which are essential qualities for navigating the complexities of rebuilding trust after a breakup. Individuals who trust themselves are more resilient in the face of challenges, setbacks, and uncertainties that may arise during the process of rebuilding trust. By tapping into their inner strength, wisdom, and courage, individuals can navigate the ups and downs of the relationship with grace, integrity, and self-assurance. Additionally, self-trust enables individuals to take ownership of their thoughts, emotions, and actions, fostering accountability, integrity, and growth within the relationship. When individuals trust themselves to act in alignment with their values, intentions, and goals, it creates a sense of reliability, consistency, and authenticity that can strengthen the foundation of trust with their partners. Through self-trust, individuals can show up as their true selves, take responsibility for their contribution to the relationship, and work towards creating a more secure, transparent, and resilient bond with their partners. Building trust after a breakup. Interested in more tips on successful relationships? Explore our channel for valuable insights on communication, trust, and love. Subscribe now for weekly updates and remember to hit the like button to show your support. Join our community of relationship enthusiasts today.